ओशन मॅनाचो आमचे परमिशन
नाशिल्ले. सो ताजेर
खबर नासली.
इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कितें चालू आहा तुमच्या वटेनच्यान डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान?
I have sought a report from the fisheries officers at the block level.
सो फुडें एक्शन कितें जातली म्हणल्यार तुमचे कडल्यान फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट?
I will put up whatever report comes to the government for their.
मॅडम हो तूं रिपोर्ट यू वील पुट अप म्हणटा तुमचो डिपार्टमेंट कितें करपाक आसा?
See we will write to the GCZMA if they have given the permission and tell them that this particular area Karazale is for fishermen because they are doing rampon fishing there, traditional fishermen. So
आता तुमचे फिशरी डिपार्टमेंट इतले अकार्यक्षम तुमचे कडेन जे ब्रिडींग पिरियड खंय आसा तेजो डेटाच ना जाल्यार कित्या खातीर हो फिशरी डिपार्टमेंट चलपाक जाय? आता तुवें सांगला न्ही ताका ना म्हणून सांग.
breeding area notified, it is not notified by the department, but it will be notified under the GCZMA, the fish breeding sites. So that is already given to the GCZMA also, the fish breeding sites.
When such events happen, they doesn't take a permission of fishery department?
Beach events, they do not take permission from us.
They don't require the
It
permission.
comes under tourism department or?
See, even if we give an NOC, it is always with the interest of the fishermen that they should not hamper any fishing activity. Okay. So the associations, they are usually taken into confidence whenever there is any event going on the beach. Now this particular event, I think the local fishermen also were not aware.